When the air thunders, who masters the chaos? The AH-64. Apache descends, a U.S. gunship with a 30mm chain gun, firing 625 rounds per minute. Its Hellfire missiles locking targets 8 kilometers out. Shielded by Kevlar armor, the Ka-52 Alligator strikes next, Russia's coaxial rotor beast, its dual-blade design twisting at 300 kilometers per hour. Armed with 12 Vickers anti-tank missiles, the CH-47 Chinook looms, a heavy-lift legend hauling 28,000 pounds of cargo, or 44 troops, its twin rotors churning at 225 RPM. These rotor kings rule the skies. Who claims the crown? Sound off in the comments and follow for more.